What's going on, YouTube? Back with another video, back with another badass truck, and back with another clean install. Check out this OBS I'm working on, guys. Beautiful OBS. It's a nice step side on some nice weld 17 by 11s, man. Beautiful truck. Guess what we're going to be doing, guys? The most anticipated video, the video everybody's been asking me about. Finally, I'm going to get it done for you guys. The OBS Titan window install. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do the Titan window install step by step, and I'm also going to be installing a sunroof in this truck. So if you've been wanting to do this to your OBS or OBS 4, they're almost identical. The body styles are almost identical. Subscribe so you don't miss the series. Sheesh. Check out this motor, guys. Check out this clean motor. Got a 6.0 in here. Cammed out, everything done the right way, man. Look at that. Nothing spared here, guys. Everything hidden. Beautiful install. I didn't do it, but shout out to the guy who did. I'll go ahead and give you guys a cold start. Not really a cold start since we're in Florida. So if you've been wanting to do a Titan window to your OBS or a sunroof to your OBS, subscribe to this channel and stay tuned in, because I'm going to show you how to do this step by step. So guys, comment down below. Let me know what you guys think, and stay tuned in for the series, guys. You don't want to miss it. Badass truck.